Okay, let's go ahead and look how we can easy way and fast to create the dreamy effect. This has worked very well when you work like with, for example, kids or retro effect, what we want to apply. So right here I have an image that I already kind of a little bit retouching before and after, so you can see just moving, not that much, but I want to add some of this glowing effect or some soft dreamy type. So we do this with a blending mode, and it's simple. So we'll go to create new layer by duplicating all of them, Ctrl+Shift+E. Okay, and a soft dreamy, it's give it this little bit blurring, highlight blurring. So for this one, we'll need to go to filter, blur, and we'll just using blur, and we'll put just slightly out. Next, we'll just need to switch this to the mode as a screen mode. You can see already we have this effect of the blurring, soft kind of. Next, all what we need to do is create a new mask. Let's invert this mask. We'll take now paint tools with white, and we can start paint in the areas where I want to apply. So it's worked very well. We're going on the edges, like right here. You can see just add around. We can also add a little bit more on a face, just around there. I don't necessarily want to add to the eyes, but we will detail on her hair, maybe just slightly on the face, right around this area. So it's kind of painting tool. Now you start playing with this. Okay, let's increase size and we'll add more around image. And right here, before and after, you can see we applied, we still preserve our effect. The optional, you can increase some of the glowing effect, and you can do this by working with a curve, and we'll need to press Alt Option on a Mac, and you see where's the arrow pop up. So we kind of can link those two layers together, and we'll switch this to the luminosity mode for our curve. And on a curve on luminosity, you can also add, you can see I can play around and I can add a little bit more on a shadowing example, brightness, or bring down. So this way you can kind of determine how you want to this work glowing. You can have it just like bring right there, or take on the top even, or just make mid-range. So this will have additional glow just by increasing some of those luminosity in the areas. And before and after, you can see just slightly retouch. So this way you can create a very soft, nice, dreamy look. It's worked very well, with the kids, with some older type of photos. Play also with the mode. Right now, this is screen. If you're using soft light or overlay, you will see we have it now kind of more darker effect, as well as glowing. They're blurring not just the highlights but also shadows, which is in some cases, if we want to create grungy look, that will work again nice. And remember, with soft lights, this curve work very well, because this way you can still control your darker areas how much you want it, and you can bring, so in this case you will still preserve some of those areas and bringing a little bit highlights right here up, so you can still work around with the curves and with different modes. Okay, so let's go back. We'll switch to our screen mode, because this one I like it for the blurring, for the soft like dreamy look very well. Thank you for watching this tutorial.